Yukon just had a bath, so he's trying to spread out the rest of the water. The kids were all awake this morning, so they were kind of being loud, and I think that distracted Yukon, but he let me hold him in my hands, and I have one of those rain water faucets on my kitchen sink. So he just sat in my hand, and I put the water on like lukewarm. Oh, he loved it. So he loved it. He's cleaning those pretty feathers. So I got clean on my pretty feathers. Yeah. He's so clean and pretty. We got a lot of cleaning to do, huh? You got a lot of cleaning, Yukon. You're so pretty. He's a little fluff ball. He's all rubbing his face on everything. Yeah. He's so pretty, Yukon. You're so pretty. See, Yukon? Pretty. So pretty. Yeah, he's cleaning all those feathers, see? He's so handsome. You're a real handsome guy. See, he's cleaning all those feathers, those beautiful feathers. Look how green he is, my little puffball. He's your mama. Get that camera out my face. I'll wiggle my butt at you. See, he's using that's his little perch at the top of his cage that I opened so he can come in and out when he wants. But he really likes to rub his head on it, even when he's not wet. Hang on, Mama.
Mom!
What?
What?
Oh, no. Mommy can't. Okay, say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye,
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.